I would like to thank all our guests for joining us on this joyous occasion where we celebrate Ravi and Krishna. It truly means the world to us. These were anything but normal circumstances, and fact that you are here for Ravi and Krishna, we are so grateful.
I am so pleased to see so many wonderful faces tonight, celebrating this grand moment in Krishna's and Ravi's life. Appreciated everyone who could make it here tonight, regardless of everything going on in our world. It truly means a lot to us.
I'm so glad that your big weekend is finally here. You've dealt with so much hassle and gone through so much trouble, yet you still made it through. You are one of the strongest people I know. I see how big of a role you play in your family, and we are so happy to have you become a part of ours.
We are so proud of you. You two have been so strong through all and changes through all your way past months. And we want you to know that efforts of all you have done last paid off throughout this whole weekend. Me and Dad wish you both happy and healthy life together.
We truly are humbled by the show of love and support that we have received from family and friends, not just today, but for the past several months. And finally, I want to thank my beautiful wife for working so hard throughout this whole planning process. No one will ever know how hard you worked to make this amazing wedding weekend possible, except for me. Most importantly, thanks for showing me your love each and every day, and I cannot wait to see what the future has in store for us.
They say it's love that makes the impossible possible. But the Krishna that we all know makes anything possible. I'm pretty sure she's part of the reason why we all made it here tonight. I'd like to take this moment in gratitude and a big thank you to Krishna and Ravi and all of the families that have helped make this magic happen tonight. This has been such a beautiful and a once-in-a-lifetime experience, and I'd like to celebrate and toast to more life, to more hope, and to more love. Thank you.
Hi. Damn. You look so amazing.
Thank you.
जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली मेरे तेवर में है तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली जैसे जैसे हो ईद में होली मेरे होठों से धुआंधार निकलती है जो बोली जैसे जैसे बंदूक की गोली मेरे तेवर में है तहजीब की रंगीन रंगोली जैसे जैसे हो ईद में होली मेरी जीवन की दशा थोड़ा रस्तों का नशा थोड़ी मंजिल की प्यास है बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है हाँ, कसम से बाकी सब फर्स्ट क्लास है हवाओं में बहेंगे
Ravi, I've looked up for you for my whole life, and seeing you here with Krishna now, I can truly see what happiness looks like. Y'all are the perfect team to tackle any obstacle that comes your way, and I couldn't be happier for you guys to finally celebrate this milestone in your lives. Nothing but love for you both.
दीवानी तू मेरी
Krishna, you are an exceptional person who means the world to Ravi. And Krishna, you hold a special place in my heart because you are the woman who makes my son truly happy. I want to wish you two nothing but the best and that treasure each other and what you have. Krishna, I would like to welcome to family as my daughter that I never had. I want to wish you two nothing but the best in future. Love you.
काजल पिया मैं तेरा 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 मैं कह रहा था बस तू सुन मेरा सवेरा मैं तेरा मैं तेरा मुसाफिर मैं भटका तू मेरा बसेरा मैं तेरा मैं तेरा तू जुगनू चमकता मैं जंगल गहरा मैं तेरा
It's been a long road to this moment, you know. It's just it's a surreal moment for me just as much as it's for you. I think everyone's told you before, and I've told you earlier tonight, you guys look stunning. This is really just the beginning, you know. It's another chapter to you guys, and I'm so excited, and I can't wait to see that flourish and grow. You know, you guys been looking forward to this moment for a long, long time. I really want you guys to live in this moment right now. You know, tonight, this is the moment that you guys been looking for, and just cherish it. So, you know, you guys are holding hands. That's perfect right now. Just do me a favor. Just close your eyes. Just take a deep breath. Close your eyes for me. Just take a deep breath. Really just inhale. Like, this is the moment you guys are thinking about. Now open them. Like, take a look around. These are all the people that love you guys. You know, in the world we live in today, everyone made it happen. That's all that matters. We're all here, and I hope you guys really enjoy the night. And I love you guys. You know, may your love flourish and last forever.
Here we are today, and you are a married girl. I know you will be the best wifey and future mommy. I love you, Ben. Ravi, officially welcome to our family. Thank you for making my sister so happy. Take great care of each other. Keep one another and yourselves happy. Every day won't be perfect, but y'all got this. Best wishes and love you both.
I hope this weekend was everything you wished for. I know this is a true testament to everything that you guys are going to achieve in life.
ਕੰਗਣੇ ਤੇ ਕਲ 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 ਸੁਰਮਾ ਤੱਕ ਤੱਕ ਰਾਵਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਰਨਾ ਗੁਰੂਰ ਨਾ
ਉਹ ਨੱਚ ਕੇ ਨਚਾਵੇ ਦਿਲ ਨੂੰ ਜਲਾਵੇ ਜੋ ਹਿੱਲੇ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਕੋਈ ਪਾਏ ਬਚਨਾ Let's get crazy
ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੜਪਾਵੇ ਹਾਏ ਲੁੱਟ ਜਾਵੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੜਪਾਵੇ ਹਾਏ ਲੁੱਟ ਜਾਵੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਲਾਲ ਘੱਗਰਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤੜਪਾਵੇ ਹਾਏ ਲੁੱਟ ਜਾਵੇ ਮੇਰਾ ਲਾਲ ਘੱਗਰਾ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨੀਂਦ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਲਾਲ 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 ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਲਾਲ ਘੱਗਰਾ ਦਿਲੋਂ ਨੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਲਾਲ ਘੱਗਰਾ ਹਾਏ ਨੀ ਮੇਰਾ ਲਾਲ ਘੱਗਰਾ ਦਿਲੋਂ ਨੀ